Welcome back to Auto Fusion, the home for car enthusiasts who live and breathe high-performance machines. And today we've got something truly special, something that marks both an end and a beginning. We're talking about the 2026 Audi R8, a car that carries the legacy of Audi's supercar lineage into a bold, electrified future while still honoring its roaring past. This isn't just a refresh, this is a transformation. So buckle up, because the 2026 Audi R8 is rewriting the rulebook. Again, for nearly 2 decades, the Audi R8 has been the halo car of the Audi lineup, a symbol of design, engineering, and Audi's motorsport DNA distilled into a sleek mid-engine beast. First launched in 2006, the R8 was Audi's answer to the likes of the Porsche 911 and even Lamborghini's V10s, and it held its ground, not just with performance, but with a level of everyday usability that made it one of the most livable supercars on the planet. Now, as we look at the 2026 model, the R8 enters its final chapter, or perhaps its boldest one yet. Let's start with the most obvious change, the design. The 2026 Audi R8 has been completely reimagined. While it still carries the iconic low-slung stance and wide proportions, every angle has been sharpened. Every surface sculpted for aerodynamics and presence. At the front, the signature single-frame grille has been slimmed down and widened, giving it a more aggressive yet futuristic appearance. New matrix LED headlights with laser technology stretch into the fenders with a menacing glow. Huge functional air intakes dominate the lower bumper, channeling air for cooling and downforce. The entire front fascia looks like it was inspired by a Le Mans prototype, because it kind of was move along the sides. And you'll see a deeper integration of carbon fiber in the side blades, a classic R8 design cue, now reworked into aerodynamic elements. The lines are more muscular, more planted. The roofline swoops down dramatically into the rear deck, giving the car a speed-hungry silhouette even when it's parked. Around the back, Audi has gone bold. A full-width OLED light bar sits just above. An aggressive carbon fiber diffuser. The dual exhausts are gone, replaced by what might be the clearest indicator of the R8's transformation. This is now an electric SUPR. Yes, you heard that right. The 2026 Audi R8 marks the beginning of a fully electric era for Audi Sport. Gone is the naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 that we all loved for its high-revving scream. In its place, a dual-motor electric powertrain delivering a combined output of 925 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. And thanks to Audi's new solid-state battery tech, the R8 now offers over 400 miles of range on a single charge, with the ability to fast charge from 10 to 80% in just 15 minutes. Performance? Brutal 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. The acceleration is instant, linear, and unrelenting. There's no lag, no gear change, just raw, unfiltered thrust. And it's not just about straight-line speed. Audi has poured everything they know from Formula E and the e-tron GT RS into the R8's chassis. Torque vectoring is now controlled in milliseconds by an advanced AI-based system, giving each wheel exactly the amount of power it needs when it needs it. Whether you're carving through a mountain pass or hitting apexes on a track, the new R8 sticks like glue, but dances when you want it to. Handling is sharp, responsive, and eerily composed. Audi has introduced a next-gen adaptive suspension system that reads the road 500 times per second. It adjusts damping, roll stiffness, and even ride height dynamically, making the car feel simultaneously like a GT cruiser and a race car. And with active aerodynamics, including a deployable rear spoiler and underbody flaps, the R8 generates serious downforce at speed while keeping drag to a minimum when you're cruising inside. The R8 is a masterclass in futuristic luxury and driver focus. The cockpit is cleaner than ever before, minimalistic yet immersive. A new curved OLED display wraps around the driver, combining the virtual cockpit with a haptic feedback interface that responds to your gestures. Gone are most of the physical buttons. In their place, intelligent surfaces that respond to your commands with precision and feedback. The steering wheel features integrated drive mode selectors, allowing you to switch between comfort, dynamic, track, and individual settings. And with Audi's customizable sound profiles, you can choose how your electric R8 sounds, from whisper quiet to simulated V10 roar, all crafted by Audi's acoustic engineers. Whether you want to relive the emotional bark of the old R8 or enjoy the silence of electric performance, The choice is yours. Seating is supportive yet luxurious, with lightweight carbon fiber shells wrapped in eco-friendly Alcantara and leather, made from recycled materials. Audi has gone all in on sustainability without compromising luxury. The ambient lighting adjusts with your mood and driving mode. The cabin is quieter than ever, with active noise canceling, giving you a serene space at any speed. But make no mistake, when you floor it, the world outside disappears. And let's not forget the tech. The 2026 R8 comes with Audi's latest self-learning AI driving assistant, which helps improve track performance by analyzing your driving style and suggesting real-time improvements. You also get full OT updates, augmented reality navigation, and advanced connectivity with your smart home and devices. This isn't just a car. It's a digital platform on wheels, built to evolve, but perhaps the most emotional part of this story is what the 2026 Audi R8 represents. It's the final farewell to the internal combustion R8 South we've loved for years. It's the beginning of a new chapter where electric doesn't mean boring, it means blistering, refined, and more capable than ever. Audi knew the pressure was immense. Replacing a V10 icon with an electric successor is no easy task, but somehow they've done it. They've created an R8 that feels like the future, without forgetting where it came from. It's a car that respects its legacy, but isn't afraid to move forward. It's faster, more efficient, more intelligent, and still absolutely stunning. The 2026 Audi R8 is a statement that the thrill of driving is not dead. It's just evolving. So what do you think? Is this the electric supercar we've been waiting for? Or do you still miss the sound and feel of that high-revving V10? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love this breakdown of Audi's electrified masterpiece, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoFusion, where performance meets passion. And the road is just the beginning. Until next time, stay charged, stay curious, and never stop driving.